Hello, La Colina viewers. So I'm opening up Firefox. That's an internet browser. You can use Google Chrome or Internet Explorer. Typing www.gmail.com. I press enter, and you can see on the right side there's a box that says username and password. You want to skip that and go to create an account. Once you've clicked that button, you'll see over here on the right a number of fields or boxes where you can enter your first and last name. So I have Mr. Miller. And then you could type in your username. For us, we're going to be using the first letter of our first name, the first letter of our second name, or our middle name, and our last name, followed by a period, and then S, B, S, D, and that should do it. Now create a password. I recommend that you create a password that is your first initial and last initial, followed by your school perm number or your school student ID number. And then you just type it in again under confirm your password. So again, that's your first initial and your last initial, followed by your school student ID. Fill in your birthday. If you're under 13, in this spot you should put your parents' birthday. Okay, so gender, male. Mobile phone, go ahead and type in your mobile phone or your parents' mobile phone, whatever works. I'm leaving this blank. And then go to your other email address if you have one. You can use your parents' email, or if you have another email address, you can type that in. I listed mine there. Here you have to type in two strange words. It's just to check to make sure that you're not some sort of internet robot. Agree to the Google Terms of Service by clicking that little box and click Next Step. Once you click Next Step, you can create your profile if you want to. You can skip it though if you want. Go ahead and click Next Step. Here you have the welcome page. It says welcome Mr. That was my first name. And it shows your email address, mamiller.sbsd@gmail.com. Click Next, and you can take a little tour if you want, or just press continue. Right here is your inbox. This is where all new emails will come in. On the left you can see different categories: inbox, starred, sent mail, drafts. And then at the very top you see something called documents. That's a program that we'll be using the most.